So 2023 was a fantastic year for the UK Solaris desk. We knew at the outset of the year it promised to be pretty busy with a combination of launches, shows and events. And so we spent even more time in Europe than ever this year, With three Solaris 50s commissioned and delivered and two larger yachts currently in build, Aquileia is starting to feel like a second home. Hull number 1 of the new Solaris 74 is a particularly exciting project, and that's due to splash later this month. The yard has continued its upward trajectory, and while it enjoyed a record year with 46 new yachts delivered, it has risen to the challenges and increased its resources accordingly. Solaris Sail now employ a staff of nearly 200. Still on its original site in Aquileia, the facility was significantly extended in 2018-2019, and with plans to extend further in the future. Solaris are big enough to be very good at what they do, but small enough to have retained that personal touch. Solaris owners are very much part of the family. 2024 will be another exciting year. The yard has reached the significant milestone of its 50th anniversary, which will be celebrated during the Solaris Cup. With over 60 yachts currently registered for the event, it's set to be a record year. And of course, as I mentioned, the launch of hull number 1 of the 74RS, along with the replacement of the new Solaris 55. With every new model, there's a combination of innovation as well as refining what works best on the current designs. So building on the success of those designs, the new 55 will not only incorporate recent Solaris thinking, but she'll also have some new tricks up her sleeve. And given the level of initial interest, she looks set to be a popular yacht. The Berthon Sales Group represents Solaris here in the UK, Berthon Scandinavia in Sweden and Finland, and Berthon USA on the east coast of the USA. We're all happy to help with any queries you might have.